Here we are.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
Mr. Goff, 6th grade math, Ralph Chandler
Middle School. God, there's all kinds of things going on over here. What's going on this week?
Well, you know what? We had tests today in math, and we're going to continue our test tomorrow in Math 7, okay? Because that's a big, long test that we're taking, and we're going to try to get those kids through it really well. But our Math 6 test was only half a test, because we're only halfway through the Chapter 3. So we finished that today. Tomorrow we're going to go on to multiplying decimals, numbers of decimals, okay? So multiplying numbers of decimals, we'll just count those decimals and the numbers up top, and then our answer, we need to have that many, and we're going to talk about that tomorrow. Kids are going to love it.
Because you got an extra day. Mr. Goff is trying to secretly tell you. The other test tomorrow, there's an extra day here. Get in between their moms and dads.
Math 7.
Reinforce that material.
Yeah, those Math 7 kids, you guys in Math 7, you need to be studying tonight, making sure you saw the test today. You know what you need to study, and you know what you need to be doing. So,
Mr. Esposito, what do we do in class today? Moms and Dad, we introduced a little bit. I went over thoroughly the last few days. We went over thoroughly on, what? Seeds! We went over the embryos, we went over collodons, we went over monocotyledons, dicotyledons, how you can tell the difference between a monocot and a dicot. If you look at their leaves, if you look at their vascular bundles, if you look at the way their roots grow. And on top of that, if you look at the way they emerge from the ground, how do they grow out of the seed themselves? That's how we can tell the difference between a monocot and a dicot. We went over a lot of information. Well, today I just introduced a little bit on spore-producing plants and and gymnosperms, which reproduce using cones. A lot of information. I didn't give them as much on the spores and the gymnosperms because I helped them a lot on the angiosperms, and now I'm going to let them do a little bit on their own. Tomorrow we're going to start a little activity, a little booklet, 2 sides, and they're going to start giving me a little bit more information. Here's a little something I told them. I said, you know, it's great to ask questions, and that's great. People always say that. It is. It's great. I ask a lot of questions myself. But it's better
to
find the answers.
Yes.
Now that's even better. Okay?
Yeah, you know what?
Mr. Esposito, 6th grade
remember.
science. I'm sorry, I was a little distracted. Mr. Goff's got a little something surprise for you.
I do. No, it's all gone now. I was eating the Pop Rocks.
Oh, he
Popping
was pop rocking. Little pop rocking.
Pop rocking.
Pop rocking, rocking. Pop. 2 thumbs up. Mr. Esposito,
Hey, 2 thumbs up.
Mr.
Right.
Goff, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School. Thanks for your support. We're up to 14, 15 views a day.
I know.
Excellent. 2
There
thumbs
are people
up.
watching.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Dynamite.
Hey, John,
Yeah.
guess what?
What's that? Yeah.
These kids that learn things in school,
Whoa.
yeah, they're learning a lot of good stuff.
Oh, yeah.
They also learn things outside of school. I hope they're learning good stuff out there.
Peace.